Ki upcoming member of this council ni MDC Jongga Khasi Hill Autonomous District Council KHDC kila pendep ya kejing bam smai mentaka sengi ka apnyo trik rumpang ajal pusan hapo ka yang tawan Jongga Council yakini KMDC apen bam smai da ka Deputy Commissioner ka Khasi Hill ka Kong Rosed M Kurba UMDC kan kedam mikro ba sembolang renja uban simti kamu Chief Executive Member ka KHDC la bam smai na lo kiwaipat na peleng kini ki apna ingut ki MDC blang syua jit thamai tang uba tita star wel khan uba bam smai da keten khasi hari election badang sudah sien kaseng boys of the people party ka job kan ngut ka ba ka UDP ka job san ngut ke NPP sau ngut bat ka HSPDP uai bat ar ngut ki independent ka VVP kan sensya marwai ha ke HDC ka badan lai phangut ki MDC ka ba ki wegi party kin syong halim persya.
Having been elected as member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, do swear and report that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Council of India as by law established, and that
Pak Tito Stawelkan Wasajid pengikut Pura Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Nasmai Matblek Bangan Treho Bat Bangan Buat Penti yang berarti sosial bagi dia kekuntaan Prabu buat Bangan Treho dan masyarakat yang berada di